Hello, Hi, this is Marie Henderson. In this video, we're going to look at taking a course that is only a semester long and making a copy of it so that you can use it again second semester. So for instance, this would be a course where you teach the same content in both the fall and the spring, but you have a different set of students in the fall than you do in the spring. Unlike a course that's all year where you have mostly the same students all year and you have different content in the fall than you do in the spring. And so I'm logged in here as Abby Gillen. Thank you to Abby for letting me use her course as a demo. And I'm going to come here to courses, and down here at the very bottom we're going to go to all courses, and we want to find the rosters that came in from PowerSchool with her students for these spring semester courses. And then we'll import the content from the fall. And so if we scroll down here to the list of unpublished courses, we want to find the ones that say no over here at the right and are listed for the term of 2022-2023. And they will say S2 because they're semester 2 courses. Abby has 2 of them, American Government and Sociology. We're just going to use the American Government course as a demo here. I'm right-clicking and then selecting to open the link in a new tab. And then if we scroll back up, since we're going to use the content that she's currently using with her fall students in this spring course, I'm going to find here her American Government for fall, the one that she is using with students. And if you just highlight the name of that course and then hit Control-C on your keyboard, it'll make it easy to import that content here in the new course. And so over here in my other tab, I need to scroll down at the left and go to Settings, and we can rename this using what we just copied from the other page. And instead of fall, we need to make it spring. And so you can make both of these things say the same thing. If you want to shorten it a little bit, you can. Again, whatever is in this course code box just ends up as your breadcrumbs here at the top left. And so we scroll down a little bit. We want to pick course from the participation drop down, and you can have your start date when we come back to school after winter break on the 4th and go through that last week of school, which ends on the 17th, but give yourself some grading time and choose the 18th or 19th there. You want to restrict students from viewing before or after. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click here to update course details. Then over here at the right, we want to import course content. So we're importing that fall course that we just used with our fall students. So right here, copy a Canvas course. So once again here, I'm going to paste in the name of that fall course. And so we can select it here. Notice this is listed with the 2022-2023 school year. It was just the fall semester course, so we're pulling it in. And we want to bring in all of the content, but we can click here to adjust the events and due dates. So you can do one of 2 things here. You can shift it from the August start date to January with the closing in January out to May instead, or you can remove the dates. This only applies to the assignments and discussion boards that you have in your class. This will not shift dates on a page that you have built, such as the agenda page. It will make no change on your agenda pages. So I'm going to shift here from August 17th, which was our first day of school this year, and then the course is already set to end here this same week that the new one is set to start. So we can use that same day, and then we can click here to import. And so this is going to take a couple minutes. It's queued up. And once it says that it is complete, or even that it is complete with a few errors, you'll be able to go back out to the home page and we'll make a couple of adjustments. And so out here on the home page, we want to go over to the agenda page, and we can see here that, this is all the way up to this week. But of course, for our new semester, we would only want the students to see the very first week. And so if we go here to view all pages, we can make a copy of this agenda page. So it was called 22-23 agenda. So it's right here. And we want to click here at the right and click to duplicate. And so a copy pops up right quick. And if you go ahead and click to edit, then we can, instead of calling it 22-23 agenda copy, you probably want to put here something about spring of 2022. And of course you can name that however you want to, and it will show correctly there in your course. And so we click to save, and then we want to go into this new copy of the agenda, and we're going to click to edit, and we can go ahead and delete everything except that first week, where we're going to want to also go back and put the new dates in. And so, this was the first week of school. And so everything from here up we can go ahead and get rid of. And so now we just have this first week, and we can edit it as needed to get ready. Of course, you would want to change this to January, depending on whether or not you teach it one day a week again, or if this is a class that you teach both days of the week, and then you can use the maroon and gold coloring background to your table to denote gold or maroon days as well. Once you've got the editing done here that you want to get done, you go ahead and click to save and publish. And then back out here on your home page, if you click to edit, then we can link this agenda button. We want to remove the current link. And if we click the agenda button again, and then click the link up here and select course link, then we can link to our new spring agenda page. Here it is. And then if we scroll down out here, we can click to save. And so now we just want to go back and clean some things up, make sure everything is ready for the spring, and you'll be good to go from there. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.